Trying to find a laundromat in which I could do my clothing. This is a self-service one, which I want, but I thought there'd be an attendant here. I don't have laundry detergent or coins or anything. I'll have to find another one. So I'll have to decide whether or not I'm going to go ahead and wash here, which is going to cost me about 50 shekels by the time I do everything, which will be about, I guess I have a hard time figuring this out, $20 maybe. Not that much, but that would cost me more, a lot more. Probably cost me 100, at least 100. 100 shekels or $40. So $15 versus 40. And the option is whether or not it's going to be worth that money that I can blow on just one meal to basically walk up here in the rain to wash clothes. I'm just going to let the hotel do it and pay the price. What the heck? It's not like I live here. This is in West Jerusalem. I'm outside the walls. Not too far from the market I was at yesterday. What I'm trying to figure out is exactly what to do, though. I got to go back and calculate if I want all my clothes washed, how much it's going to cost. If it's going to be close to $100, I'm going to probably just. I think this is like what would be called an Orthodox area here, Orthodox Jewish area, because I don't see anybody else. This is off the beaten path a little bit, because down here, this would be Jaffa Street's not too far from here. I don't know if I want to deal with washing clothes. Oh, brother, it's going to take over an hour also. I'm just going to use the cleaners. Trouble is, I don't have any clean clothes. It'll take 2 days to get my other clothes if the hotel does it. It might be just better to buy clothes. Find a cheap place. They have secondhand stores here. Just meandering, but I see the train up there, so I'm in the right area. That's Jaffa Street, and once I get there, I know my way around. I probably can find it. So, this is Jaffa Street. There's stores up and down the street. All I need is to find a couple long sleeve tops, Henley sweatshirts, anything like that will do. Cold today, boy. Wet and cold. Now, as soon as I left that area, we're back to like more cosmopolitan. So that area over there is very Orthodox. Secondhand store. It's not something I want to do. I have to find an actual store that has a couple sweatshirts, buy those. I have enough pants. I already had the hotel do it once, so I got clean pants and other things. Just need top or two, then I'll have the hotel do it again. That laundry thing is just going to be too much work. Guy explained how to do it. You know, I got all the coins I needed, and it's easy to do. Just a time element, lugging the clothes up here. It's a mile away, over a mile and a half. Of course, I'll be here for a while, so at least I know where it's at, in case I want to do the next time. They told me find Fox department store. They have everything I need. Well, we'll see about that. What I'm looking for is a laundry bag and a sweatshirt. Then I'm going to calculate how much it's going to cost me to have the hotel do the laundry. It's going to be astronomical. I'll just figure coming here, I guess, some point in time. So I'm looking for a large laundry bag. Wait, so this is the laundry bag they have at Fox. I mean, it's a beautiful thing, but I mean, it's just too enormous, and it's hard. I could never take it home on the plane. I'd have to throw it away. So that's not going to work. Well, that didn't work out. The store has stuff, but I even looked for pants. It's amazing because all the waist sizes are in their 20s for men. I saw one that was a 34, and I think 136, that was it. Everybody here is thin, I guess, men-wise. I guess from all the walking up and down hills. It's hard to be heavy when you got all that walking to do. I need to just stop and get a coffee. Sam's Bagels. That seems like a New York type bagel place. This is what I needed. A bagel. I thought it was a New York style bagel, but I don't think so. I think it's the typical kind they make here, which is basically bread. It's good though. It's a soft bagel, not like the New York style. It's called Sam's Bagels. So things are looking up. Sunny. I'm going to relax here. Have a little devotion time. I've made a decision, and half anxiety comes from not knowing what you're going to do. I'm just going to let the hotel do it. I'll find a garbage bag, ask them for a garbage bag, stick all my clothes in there, fill out the sheet, and worry about the next time I have to do laundry.